So students, I'm sure each one of you yesterday enjoyed the lecture by your teacher Nikita explaining the poem All the World's a Stage. I went through the lecture myself and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm sure you all did as well. Now today we will take up the appreciation of the poem. Before we go in for the appreciation, students, I hope you understood the main central idea of the poem, which was written by William Shakespeare, who is a well-known poet of those times as well as a playwright. He has written many famous plays, one of his famous plays being Romeo and Juliet. He has written. This poem, in fact, is taken from one of his plays itself, As You Like It. And in that play, there is a role of a character who comes in and says this poem as a monologue, not a dialogue. Dialogue occurs between two individuals. So the poem, in fact, tells you that God has designed us in such a way that we are like players or actors in this world, which is a huge stage, and at every stage of our life we have to play or take on different roles. We take on the role at birth as a crying infant who keeps puking in the mother's or the nurse's arms, keeps vomiting. From infant we become school going children, very happy, bubbly, walking all our way to school. So beautifully you have seen how he compares the walking of a schoolboy to the creeping of a snail, at going slowly to school. So at different stages in life we perform different roles, just like the actors perform roles during a particular film, or maybe stage actors do their own roles during an act. So we take on roles at all stages of our life, as I told you, as an infant, as a schoolboy, then you become a teenager, you become a romantic lover, you grow on to become a middle-aged man. You play the role of, maybe some play the role of fathers, some play the role of, then you have women playing the role of mothers, and then you come of age where you enter almost the sunset years of your life. So everybody grows old. With age you put on weight, and slowly and steadily a time comes when there is a time for us to exit from this stage, that is from the world. So very beautifully he has described the poem. Now I come to the appreciation, students. The name of the poem is All the World's a Stage, and it is written by William Shakespeare, who is a very famous poet and a playwright. In this poem there is no rhyme scheme at all. He has not used rhyme scheme throughout the poem. It is in a blank verse. They call it as a blank verse, very similar to what you saw in the earlier poem where the mind is without fear. So there is no rhyme scheme in this poem at all. It's in blank verse. Then he has used very beautiful figure of speeches. There are many figure of speeches he has used, like you have alliteration, repetition, you have transferred epithet, which I will discuss during the regular lectures. The most striking figure of speeches are simile and metaphor. A very good example of simile is where he has compared the school-going boy walking in the morning. He has compared his pace of walking to the creeping of a snail. So there is an indirect comparison of the boy walking to school to that of a creeping snail. All of you have seen snails during the rainy season, how slowly they creep. Then you also have direct comparison, that is metaphor, Metaphor, there are two striking examples. Right at the first line of the poem, you have all the world's a stage. That means all the world or the whole world is a stage. That's what the first line means. So all the world's a stage, that means he has directly said that the world is a stage. So there is a direct comparison of the world to a stage. Then all men and women are players. So he has directly said that in this world we are all, whether men or women, we are players or actors on a huge stage called this world. So very beautifully he has put up the figure of speeches also. The central idea basically of the poem is to convey that we are born into this world to take on at different ages different roles, and we are to play out our roles as designed by God. In the end of our life, our role ends or culminates, and we then exit this world at the time of death. So this is how, students, this poem is beautifully written, and portrayal of various stages of life have been done very well by William Shakespeare.